A question comes out and asks, what is an SPD? Yeah, good evening. Welcome back to our live video. This is Engineer Raphael by name. Today I want to talk about SPDs. You hear about SPD. What's the full meaning of SPD? What do you know about SPD? Most of the installer talks about SPDs. And as a layman, what do we call SPDs? SPDs are surge protective devices. An SPD is a device that protects your devices or appliances from sudden increase in voltages and discharge the excessive energy coming from it to the ground. That's only if your earthing system is perfect. It is about all the systems, and it's better you call for an expert to check the earthing system of your building, because if your earthing system is not good, your SPD also is not functioning. So before your SPD can function, you must have a good earthing system in your building. Also, I want you to understand, for the fact that you have SPD does not say you should not have a thunder arrestor. In fact, your SPD has the capacity it can withstand in terms of surge, most especially from lightning strike. So you need to have a good and a very active arrestor on your roof to get a very effective installation. If not, it will enter into your system. We have a case of it that we visited a lot of sites. There's an SPD there, but thunder strikes and still damage the system. Even some thunder strikes and damage panels. But if you have a very good thunder arrestor system, and it is the earthing of the thunder arrestor is perfect and is properly installed, and you take your earth voltage tester, you measure the ohms, and it's giving you a good result, then your system, just like this moment, I will explain to you the difference between AC surge and DC surge. I have them here, and this is an AC surge. This is an AC surge. I told you it has to be connected to your the input of your AC connection. Let's say, for example, as an installer, you want to install a solar energy system. You bring in an input. Your input will enter into the in of your protective voltage protector. You understand me now? From the in of your voltage protector, you connect the live on this device. This is the AC surge. This is the SPD for grid side. So it has a live and it has a neutral. So from the live connection, which is in Nigeria, we know the live to be red and the neutral to be black. You understand? In other countries, it might be brown. For brown might be the red, and the blue might be the brown. Depends on different countries with their color codes. But when I say live and neutral, whichever color code you use in your country, it will be easier for you to interpret. So when you talk about SPD, the AC side, you connect from the AC input of your connection will be connected to the live and neutral here, and the earthing of your building, that's this earth you see at the down part, there is a ground symbol. Most of us does not understand what we mean by ground symbol or the earth. It's a logo. You see it's a form of a small tree facing down. That is a ground symbol. So on this ground symbol is where you connect your earth terminal, and you connect this earth terminal to the earthing of your building. That is if the earthing of your building is correct, is good. If the earthing of the building is not good, it is better for you to do a separate earthing for your system, in order for it not to just serve as a signpost. It will just be like the more you look, the less you see. It will not function at all. And we also have DC surge. This is the SPD for DC. Do you understand me? And this DC surge, the same way you connect the AC surge, is having DC positive and it's having DC negative. It means the leg coming from your PV, you know, you will have a DC breaker that will receive the cable coming from your PV side. And the essence of the breaker is to isolate your PV if you do not want charges to go to your charge controller. In a subsequent video, we'll come to that while I explain the connections from on your PV side and your AC side when you talk about solar inverter installation. So on this note now, you connect your PV to the input of your breaker. From the input of your DC breaker, that is when your connection will come to the DC input here. That's the positive and the negative. While this down part also have the here now on this particular device they wrote PE. Do you understand me now? This is the earth terminal. This is the earth terminal. So this one now will be grounded to be connected to the earth going to the ground. Or if the earthing of the building is good, then what I mean, thank you for your time and thank you for watching us and going through our page, and we employ you to follow more for more updates on protective devices and other sensitive parts of electrical system. My name is Engineer Raphael Awofate from Raphael & Co Consult Limited. Stay safe. Bye.